Different video today, guys. I've seen loads of people use this stuff, so I thought I'd give it a try myself. Easy car care, sleek interior trim, cleaner and dressing. Seen loads of people use it. Quite a few people, going about how good it is and stuff. So I thought I'd try it myself on the Astra, as not many people know. And yes, for the haters out there, it is auto. Don't give a crap at it. Oh god, 3 year now. She's done 150,000 miles. She does what she needs to do. It's not finished. I still got that spray black and a few other bits and bobs. And yeah, she's a daily, so there's a bit of crud around. So right, gonna give this stuff a go and see how it goes. At the moment, she is dusty, so I'm gonna give it a wash, polish, use this stuff, see how it goes for the next video. As you can see, this is a passenger door. You know what women's like with makeup. Bedded. As you can see, all this staining. It's like how most of the cars I've got when you've got a missus. I'm going to carry on using this stuff and use the free cloth I got with it and see how it goes. Here we go. Second bit, still using the same stuff. Same microfiber cloth. Took a little bit of scrubbing, but not too much, but I'd say that's looking a hell of a lot better. That's actually just the shine you notice. So I'd say it's 90% gone. So it's doing good stuff so far. And I'm back again. As you can see, done all this. It's looking nice. Door's come out really well. I do have friends asking, well, I wouldn't say asking, but oh, you need to repair the door. But what they don't realise is these here are really solid. This bit's nice and soft, so it doesn't hurt my arm, so it's staying. Anyway, I think it's come out really well, to be fair. It can have a gloss or a matte finish. Definitely going to start using more of their products, I'd say. To be fair, the car's never been to a detailing shop. And I'm not going to be a detailer, but you can get the gist of how clean it's come up. Some people might say there's no difference, but sometimes camera don't do it justice. But yeah, I think it's come up really well. Just thought I'd try something different on the channel. Gotta get yourself out there, Like I say, if anybody ever wants any details on anything, even if I can help or can't help, I might be able to put you in the right direction. Just give a shout out to my friend RSJ Developments on YouTube. Give him a like, subscribe, leave him a comment. And Retro Cars Reborn also, give him a like, share, comment. They always help me out, so I thought I'd help them out for the second time. If anybody ever wants, any contents of their own cars posting up, give me a shout. If you can't get onto me through YouTube itself, you can get onto me through the Facebook page. So yeah, so this stuff's definitely good. I got this one off, if I'm allowed to say it, but I'll say it anyway, eBay. How much was it? I think it was under 13 quid. Brand new. You get the full trigger, the stuff inside it, plus some microfiber cloth, which, to be fair, is like, let's see if I can do it, a big size microfiber cloth, which is like twice the size of, the ones you'd probably get from pawn shop if people ever use them from pawn shop. But yeah, I really like the product. I have ordered another product from that brand, which is easy. So can't remember which one it was. I think it was like a quick gloss for if you go to a car meet. Some people, just spray it on the cars and give it a nice shine when you get there. Oh, camera's gone in a bit too far, but yeah. Cheers for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment for me. Share if you think it looks good on camera. Bearing in mind I'm using a crappy Samsung, but needs must. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. See you in a bit.